How do you think that we should teach the moon phases?
You know, I really wasn't sure because I've never taught the phases of the moon before.
I haven't either. I mean, I could obviously make a PowerPoint or something.
Yeah, but it's like, it's so boring and the kids keep falling asleep and I want something interactive and, you know, something fun for them.
I agree.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking I want to eat the last Oreo.
That's funny because I was thinking the same exact thing. Well,
I mean, we could split it, I guess.
Well, you have to be fair.
I'll be fair.
Let's see.
Okay, you can have that piece, and I can have this piece.
You know, you gave me the new moon.
Oh my gosh, this looks just like the full moon.
Oh, wow. The new moon?
And the full moon. We could use this.
I think we could. This could be a great lesson. What do you think?
I agree.
Before we begin, let's take out what do you know about the moon worksheet that looks just like this. The first question is, what color is the moon? The next question is, when do you see the moon? The third question, what shape is the moon? And the last, what do you think the moon is made out of? I want you to answer these questions on these lines that are provided. So now you can stop the video, and then once you're finished, you can play the video again. The first phase is phase 1, and it's called new moon. The new moon is something like if you were looking at the sky, all you would see is the stars. There's no moon there. So it's just like an Oreo cookie with no cream. You wouldn't see any cream at all. It's just the black cookie, just like the black skies with the stars.
The second phase of the moon is called the crescent moon. If you were to look up at the sky, you would just see this tiny sliver of the moon starting to come out. And when we look on our Oreo cookie, we just have this slight sliver of cream while the rest is still black.
The next phase is the third phase, phase 3, which is called the quarter moon. So when you look into the sky, you would see half of the moon with all the pretty stars around it. And just like an Oreo cookie, see here, only half of the cream is there. So only half of the cream is there and the other half is just the black part of the cookie.
The fourth phase of the moon is called the gibbous moon. A lot of times when you look at the sky, you might think this is a full moon, but you can see that it's not a perfect circle and it's missing part of it. Just like in our Oreo cookie, you can see that not all of the cream is here. There's just a slight part that's missing.
The fifth phase of the moon is called the full moon. So that would mean when you looked up into the sky and saw all the stars, you would see one big full moon, so a whole entire circle. So just like on our cookie here, it's just all cream on the entire cookie. Just to review quickly, here is the whole entire project that we are talking about. First is the new moon, then the crescent moon. Next is the quarter moon. Then we have the gibbous. And last we have the full moon.
Now that you know the phases of the moon, see if you can go outside tonight and see what phase the moon is in. And you can record it on your moon phase calendar.